Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Budgets plugin from RedmineUP on a Bitnami Redmine virtual image. Okay, for this case, we are going to use the VirtualBox software. However, you're free to use any other virtualization software, for example VMware and anything else. It is up to you. Okay, so we have now predefined and installed Redmine 511 stable here. So we start it and wait a couple of seconds for the system to burn up and load its processes. Okay, we are now into our login screen. We are using the default user and password for logging to our backend, and it is stated that the Redmine is located onto this address. If you have some doubts if this is right or not, you can check anytime via the command hostname I, and it is confirmed that this is the address indeed. So let's go and try if it is right. So we enter this IP address and wait for this process to start and to load. It needs some time, for example 10 or 15 seconds. It depends on the hardware itself. In my computer it is 15 seconds or 20. Okay, here it is. And we're already logged in as a user, and this is again the predefined username and password for the front end of our Redmine. This is the password and the user. Of course you can change it anytime, however in our case we're using the default ones, including the default theme of Redmine, so it is easier for you to understand the processes. Alright, so I click on administration and information, and I see and confirm that this is the latest Redmine version 5.1 stable, and we have a lot of plugins here installed. However, at the end of this video we are going to have the Budgets plugin as well here. Okay, so let's go back to our command line and navigate to folder opt Bitnami Redmine plugins, and if we list, we are going to see these plugins in the front end, of course appearing in the back end as well. Okay, so we're going to directly download the Budgets plugin via the wget command, and also you can use other methods, for example machine file manager, and here on the left you will see your computer or host machine already logged in, automatically logged in. And if you enter your password and user for your guest machine or the VirtualBox Redmine Bitnami, then it will appear here on the right. And then you can just easily copy paste via this arrow the file of the Budgets plugin. And also there are other methods of file sharing. It is up to you which one to use. In my case I'm going to use the wget. Alright, so I just pasted the link here, so it is pointing to the latest Redmine Budgets plugin, that is 1.05 version. So I click enter and it is successfully saved and downloaded. If we'd like to check, we'll list and see that here it is. This is our zip file. Okay, now we unzip it via the unzip command, and then remove the zip file itself because we are no longer needing it. If we list again, we see that the budgets is here. Okay, so it is correct. Now we return back to the core Redmine folder and run the bundle install command that is going to install all the needed gems for your plugin. So we are done. 86 gems now installed. Okay, now we'll run the migration command that is going to migrate the tables to the database. via the command bundle exec rec redmine plugins name, and here it is the name of the plugin, which is Redmine budgets. Okay, and the environment is production. Okay, so we click enter and wait for the migration to start. Okay, these rows are showing us that the migration has been successfully done. Okay, and the last thing that we have to do is to restart everything via this command. So yeah, it is restarting. The other thing that you can do is to power off your virtual machine and then power on via the VirtualBox. It is going to do the same thing, however it will take more time. This is faster way. Okay, so we return back to our browser and refresh the page to see if everything is fine. Again, the Redmine needs some time to load because it has been restarted, and maybe 15 seconds or 20 seconds are needed into my computer here. Alright, so the budgets plugin has just appeared here and we have done our job successfully. We have installed budgets on Bitnami Redmine 5 virtual image on VirtualBox. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like other videos and articles, just check our RedmineUP site. Bye bye.